Whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone seeking new experiences, Chiapas is a great place to find that travel high. Visit Palenque. To put it in perspective, when you step into Palenque, you'll feel a tingling sense of excitement. The sheer grandeur of the temples and pyramids will captivate your imagination. You'll find yourself wandering through a labyrinth of stone structures, each one holding secrets and stories of a bygone era. The ancient Mayans knew how to make a statement, and Palenque stands as a testament to their ingenuity. Their craftsmanship is awe-inspiring. Imagine the dedication and skill required to create these ornate designs, etched into the very stones that have weathered the test of time. Palenque's lush jungle surroundings add an element of mystery and enchantment. The air is thick with the calls of exotic birds and the rustling of leaves. The harmonious blend of nature and the ancient architecture creates an otherworldly ambience that will transport you to a different realm. As you ascend the steps of the Templo de los Inscripciones, you'll feel a surge of excitement. This pyramid houses the tomb of the great Mayan ruler, Pacal the Great. Step inside and discover the secrets that lie beneath. Marvel at the elaborate sarcophagus and the intricate hieroglyphs that recount the tale of Pacal's life and achievements. It's like unlocking a historical treasure chest and peering into the past. Close your eyes and you can almost hear the whispers of ancient rituals and ceremonies that once took place here. Let your imagination run wild as you envision the bustling city that once thrived on this very ground. Feel the weight of history resting on your shoulders. You're standing in a place where dreams and realities intertwine, where the present merges with the past. Discover Sumidero Canyon. If adventure is your drill, you will love Sumidero Canyon. As the boat ventures deeper into the canyon, the sheer magnitude of the cliffs will leave you breathless. Picture yourself craning your neck to take in the dizzying heights above, their rugged faces carved by centuries of wind and water. It's as if nature herself chiseled these monumental structures, creating a breathtaking panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. Keep your camera ready, for you never know when a majestic eagle will swoop down from above or when a family of monkeys will swing by to greet you. Listen to the symphony of nature as the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves serenade you on this captivating journey. As we navigate the winding river, keep your eyes peeled for a glimpse of one of Sumidero's most intriguing residents, the mighty crocodile. Camouflaged within the foliage, these ancient reptiles lay in wait, ready to capture their next meal. The adrenaline rushes through your veins as you spot a pair of eyes peering from the water's edge, a silent reminder of the wild beauty that surrounds you. The landscape within the canyon is ever-changing, presenting a feast for the senses at every turn. Prepare to be enchanted by the cascading waterfalls that decorate the cliffs like nature's own artwork. As our boat ride comes to a close, take a moment to reflect on the majesty you've just witnessed. Sumidero Canyon is not just a natural wonder, it's a reminder of the power and beauty of our planet. It's a place that fills you with a sense of humility and gratitude, knowing that you are mere visitors in this grand tapestry of life. Experience the magic of San Cristobal de las Casas. Strolling through the picturesque streets of San Cristobal can transport you to another era. Admire the colonial architecture that adorns the buildings, each one a testament to the town's rich history. The vibrant facades painted in hues that defy the imagination create a whimsical atmosphere that will make you feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Wander through the lively markets that come alive with the sights, sounds, and scents of local life. Lose yourself in a maze of stalls overflowing with handmade crafts, vibrant textiles, and traditional artwork. Let your senses be tantalized by the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and the vibrant colors of the fruits and vegetables on display. It's a feast for the senses that will leave you craving for more. Explore the nearby indigenous villages, where time seems to have stood still. Engage with the locals, learn about their customs, and witness their remarkable craftsmanship firsthand. From intricate weavings to vibrant textiles, each piece tells a story, a tale of a culture deeply rooted in the fabric of this land. As the sun begins to set, the enchantment of San Cristobal only grows stronger. The town comes alive with a vibrant energy as the streets fill with music, laughter, and the tantalizing aroma of local delicacies. Indulge in the flavors of Chiapas as you savor traditional dishes bursting with rich flavors and spices. From tamales to pozol, each bite is an invitation to savor the essence of this captivating region. The memories of vibrant streets, welcoming smiles, and the warmth of its people will linger in your heart. San Cristobal has a way of captivating your spirit, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. Take a dip in Agua Azul. As we approach Agua Azul, the anticipation builds. The sound of rushing water grows louder, teasing our senses with the promises of an unforgettable experience. Brace yourselves for a visual feast that will leave you speechless as we step into a world where nature has truly outdone itself. But Agua Azul isn't just about admiring from afar. It's about diving right in and immersing ourselves in its refreshing embrace. The natural pools that form beneath the cascades are an invitation to shed our inhibitions and surrender to the sheer joy of the moment. Slip into the cool, crystalline waters and let them wash away any worries or cares. Feel the exhilaration as the cascades massage your shoulders, releasing any tension and rejuvenating your spirits. As we swim and frolic in the pools, take a moment to look around and soak in the surroundings. The verdant vegetation that frames the waterfalls creates a lush oasis, as if nature herself painted the scene with the finest brushstrokes. Listen to the symphony of sounds, the laughter of fellow swimmers, the chirping of birds hitting among the trees, and the rhythmic lullaby of the water as it cascades from one pool to the next. For those seeking a moment of tranquility, find a spot in the riverbank and bask in the serenity. Close your eyes and let the soothing sounds of Agua Azul envelope you, transporting you to a realm of peace and inner harmony. Feel the gentle mist on your skin and savor the scent of damp earth mingled with the sweet perfume of wildflowers. It's a sensory experience that lingers in your memory long after you've left. Through the lush jungle, where sunlight filters through the dense foliage, keep your eyes peeled for exotic birds perched on tree branches, their colorful plumage a vibrant contrast against the green backdrop. Explore the indigenous culture of Chiapas. From the mystical village of San Juan Chamula to the enchanting community of Sinacantan, let us unlock the secrets of Chiapas' indigenous heritage and experience the richness of their traditions firsthand. As we step foot into this fascinating place, we are greeted by a visual feast of color and symbolism. The streets come alive with the vibrant attire of the locals, adorned in intricate textiles and elaborate headdresses, each telling a story that stretches back generations. Our first stop is the renowned church of San Juan Chamula, a place that encapsulates the heart and soul of this indigenous community. Engaging with the local community is key to truly understanding the richness of indigenous culture. Strike up a conversation with a local artisan, and you'll discover their incredible skill in weaving intricate patterns on traditional textiles. Marvel at their artistry as they bring to life vibrant tapestries, each thread holding the essence of their culture and history. Allow them to guide you through their creative process, sharing stories and legends that have been passed down through generations. But our exploration doesn't end in San Juan Chamula. Our next destination is the captivating village of Sinacantan. As we enter this idyllic community, prepare to be welcomed with open arms by the warm smiles of the locals. Sinacantan is renowned for its skilled embroiderers, and here we have the opportunity to witness their craft in action. Be mesmerized as nimble fingers deftly weave colorful threads into intricate patterns, their hands moving with the rhythm of generations past. Take a stroll through the village and you'll find yourself captivated by the vibrant sights and sounds that surround you. Admire the unique architecture of the homes, painted in vivid hues that reflect the spirit of the community. Listen to the joyous melodies of traditional music that drift through the air, as locals celebrate life's precious moments through dance and songs. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Chiapas and got inspired to add it to your travel bucket list. Don't forget to like this video and comment on what activity you like best. For more inspiring travel videos, be sure to check out this one right here. Thanks for watching.